YouTube. We're just on our way to another storage locker we bought. And this one's completely different than the last one. If you watched our last episode, The Cat Lady, that was all boxes, a lot of mystery. This one's pretty straightforward. Some construction stuff, some wood, some metal, a table saw. But in the back far corner is a motorcycle. Now, it's definitely vintage, 60s, 70s. Really couldn't tell from the size, the picture, no matter how many ways I blew it up. I'm hopeful it's either a Norton or a Triumph. But you see what you think. We'll put the picture up, you let me know what you think. And here's my partner for today, Abraham.
Hi.
Loving the ride. Wanting to play games on my phone. Alright, so we're going to be there in a minute and we'll go in and see. We're also bringing back the photographs, 2 photo albums we found in the bottom of a box of books from the last unit. We'll return those to the storage place and hopefully they can get them back to the family who owns them. We always like to return anything we can find that's personal, and we'll just see. So paid $400, got bid up by somebody, paid a little bit more than I wanted to pay for this unit. I was comfortable around $310, but I wanted to get one. I wanted to get 3, but 2 of them they took off just as the auctions were coming up to the last hour. That's pretty common. People pay for their items. They get their locker back and they can buy it right up to the last minute. So 2 of them were pulled that we had interest in. All right, hold on. Somebody has definitely been in here and moved the barbecue and stuff. What is going on with that? That box back there got checked and emptied. Not too happy about that. That is not how this was before. That's a bit of a bummer. Let's see what we got here. Wow, I cannot tell what kind of motorcycle this is off the top of my head. Set of Triumph, it's like a custom. Front wheels on there, chrome, cool. Don't know why it has that on there. Oh, because the tank's not attached. Okay, so they were just putting gas in to try it. Alright.
The flashlight is a bottle.
Yes! What? It's a Triumph. I could just barely make it out here. Sweet. It's a Triumph. Nice. Okay. Unbelievable. Okay, folks, we thought, or I thought, from what I could see, that this was either a Triumph, oh sweet, it's a neutral even, a Triumph or a Norton. Turns out it's a Triumph. Look at that. Couldn't see that from the photo. I was just going by the taillight and the look. And the gas tank is pooched. And wouldn't you know, I just sold a tank for an old Triumph. Look at that. That is Easy Rider. That's right there. Wow. Pretty cool. Bigger than I thought it was going to be. Look at those for bars. Yeah. And I thought that's what that might be. The mirror that should be over there. Okay, it's a little custom paint job on the tank. I don't know how big it is right now, but bigger than I thought. J20. TJ20. Huh. Check out this though. Look at this custom little tank here. Wow. Lots of chrome on this. Last time it was plated, 99. Looks pretty good. And I'm definitely going to talk to them. Bourbon, plastic bourbon bottle for gas, because this is no good, so they must have just put it in there to see about running it. Yeah, tank split right open there. Too bad. Oh yeah, tank's pooched everywhere. Oh, and the head's broken here. That's a drag. Shouldn't affect the running. But one of the fins is busted there. Might affect the cooling a little bit. Wow. But this is cool. Sounds like she's got good compression. Well, oh, look at that. Super cool. Yes, sir. All right, well. Okay, YouTube.